Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play School of Dragons on your phone. First, you will need to download the application from your device's App Store, whether it is the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure your phone meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best experience. Once installed, simply create a new account or log in with your existing one to begin your exciting adventure. Once you are in the game, you will use simple touch controls to move around the vast world. Your main goal is to complete quests, which will earn you experience points and useful in-game currency. Remember to train and bond with your dragon regularly. This is crucial for unlocking new skills and advancing through the game's many challenges. Caring for your dragon is a key part of the experience. Always remember to feed your dragon regularly to keep it healthy and happy. You can also participate in thrilling Flight Club challenges to improve its flying abilities. Plus, you have the option to customize your dragon's look with many different skins and accessories, making it truly unique. The world of School of Dragons is enormous and full of places to explore, so venture out and discover all its hidden secrets. For a more social experience, consider joining a clan to team up with other players on cooperative missions. You can also interact with fellow Vikings, engaging in friendly competitions, and even trading valuable items to enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.